Describe a special day out that cost you little money. Didn't cost you much. You should say when the day was, where you went, how much you spent. Explain how you feel about the day. Answer. One of the most memorable and enjoyable days I had was a weekend trip to a nearby park. What made it even better was that I spent very little money, yet I had a fantastic time. This happened a few months ago on a Sunday, when I decided to take a break from my busy routine. Instead of spending money on expensive entertainment, I planned a simple outing to a beautiful riverside park near my city. The weather was perfect, sunny, but with a cool breeze, so it was an ideal day to be outdoors. I went with a couple of close friends, and we carried some homemade food and snacks with us, which helped us save money. The park had no entry fee, and we spent the entire day walking around, relaxing by the river, and playing outdoor games. One of the best parts was watching the sunset. It was absolutely breathtaking. In total, I spent less than $5, mainly for transport and a few small snacks from a street vendor. It was amazing how such a simple and low-cost trip could be so refreshing and fun. I felt truly happy and relaxed that day. It reminded me that enjoying life doesn't always require spending a lot of money. Sometimes, the simplest experiences, like spending time in nature with good friends, can bring the most joy. Since then, I've started appreciating these kinds of outings more, as they help me unwind without worrying about expenses.